Hi again, everybody. Welcome again to Champion Trading. We're demonstrating for you today. This is a Cornell D-26 Versator deaerator, mixer, homogenizer. Does a number of functions. You guys are probably familiar with this. Here are the two components, the feed and scoop tube. They are removed right now, how it came to us. But it gives us an opportunity to test the unit without those in view. We're operating on 440 volt. We're gonna kick our power on. Maybe a little loud with the door open. As you can see, running smooth and true. That's what we look for. Traveling at almost 2,000 RPM. It's a little loud with the door open. Our pictures will show the tubes for feed and scoop tube installed. You will note the contacts on the unit are stainless steel. The shell vacuum chamber is painted steel. As you can see, it's been painted a silver on the inside. You'll find this on our website at www.champtrading.com. And scroll down the menu to mixers and then click on the subset miscellaneous. We keep it under mixers miscellaneous, so you'll find it there. Thanks for joining us today for this video. We look forward to hearing from you. See you soon.